हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेबीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। In previous session, we already discussed about the meaning of quotas. What is quotas? Quota is a quantitative restrictions and tariff is monetary restrictions. In today's topics, we will discuss about types of import quotas. Import quotas are of 5 types. First, tariff quota. Under this quota system, a given quantity of goods is permitted to enter duty free or upon payment of relatively low duty, but import in excess of that quantity are charged a relatively high rate of duty. The tariff quota may be autonomous or agreed. The, for, the former is fixed by law. The latter is fixed by the agreement between two trading countries. Merit of tariff quotas. First merit of tariff quotas is tariff quotas combine the features of a tariff with those of quotas, restrict import and save scarce foreign exchange resources. Third, merit of tariff quotas is tariff quotas generate revenue to the country. It is flexible in nature and can be increased or reduced by the governments. The price of domestic goods are related to price of foreign goods. But tariff quotas has also some demerits. Tariff quotas increase the inflow or imports when goods are allowed duty free or at low tariff rate into beginning. As a result, the domestic price level of importing country is disturbed. Second type of import quota is unilateral quota. Under this system of quota, the total amount of or value of the commodity to be imported by fixed by law or degree without any agreement with the other country. The amount fixed quota may be either global or allotted. Under the global quota, the full amount of the quota may be imported from any other country. Third type of quota is bilateral quota. Under this quota system, quota are fixed by some agreement with one or more other country. However, call them agreed quota. And next type of quota is mixed quota. This system required domestic producers in the quota fixed fixing country to use import new material in certain proportion along with domestic raw materials to produce finished products. Thus, the quota of raw material to be imported are fixed in quantity by government. And next quota or last quota types of quota is import licensing quota. Import licensing quota. Import licensing is the system devised to administer the various types of quota. According to this system, the amount of commodity to be imported is first determined on the basis of the above mentioned quota system. The import licenses are issued by appropriate authority to the importers for specified quantities of commodity to be imported. Thank you. In next session, we will discuss about the effect of quota, partial or general effect of quota. Thank you.